A Badam milkshake, which is an almond milkshake. So watch me as I make these very quickly as a quick cooling snack for the summer heat. So on high heat, we're going to take 40 grams of almonds and we're going to toast them for 3 to 5 minutes. Roasted almonds, 500 ml of, so that's 500 ml of cold soya milk going in. Then you need just a drop of rose water, literally small drop. So not too much because it's quite strong. Oops. That's it, small drop of rose water, and then honey, 2 teaspoons of honey. So I'm just putting a couple of teaspoons of honey in there, and then we're just going to blitz it. And then just 5 or 6 cubes of ice. So it's a couple of teaspoons of honey. I like a lot of ice, however much ice you need. And then we're just going to blitz it. Pour it out and serve it up. Look at how wonderful that looks. That's one. Two. We just serve it up with a bit of mint leaf, or if you have saffron, you can put 3 saffron threads in. There you have it, badam milk all ready. That's how quick it was, my beautiful badam milk, and I'm going to enjoy it now. Did you know almonds are really good for your memory? So try and have 3 or 4 almonds a day, at least, and it's just perfect. Try this today, tomorrow, whenever, and let me know how you liked it. This is Badam Thandai. If you like my recipes, do like, subscribe, and comment below so that I know that you're trying out my recipes.